We are the San Francisco group, and we are all EDM 310 students at the University of South Alabama. My name is Emily Huff.
My name is Briley Levitt.
My name is Lauren Reed.
And I'm Emma Elwell.
Okay, class. Have any of you ever been to outer space?
Today we're going to talk about the solar system and how it consists of 8 different planets.
Not only does it consist of 8 different planets, but they revolve around the sun.
Class, do you know what planet you live on? That is correct. You live on Earth.
The planets revolve around the sun in a circular motion, starting from the closest ones, and then over here you'll have the farthest ones. Mercury's first, so it's going to be closest to the sun, which is right here. And then you have Venus, which is second. Earth, which you live on, that will be third. Mars is going to be fourth. Jupiter will be fifth. Saturn will be sixth. Uranus will be seventh. And Neptune will be eighth, which is the farthest one away from the sun.
Alright, next we're going to watch a video that explains how the planets revolve around the sun. After the video, we're going to do a class activity using ourselves to demonstrate how the planets revolve around the sun.
Solar system. On a bright night, one can observe some big stars shining more brightly than all the other stars in the clear sky. These are not stars, but rather planets. They are not self-luminous bodies like stars. Instead, they act as mirrors reflecting the sun's light and heat. The solar system consists of the sun and planets revolving around it. And the planets, in turn, have satellites revolving around them. In addition to this, the solar system consists of asteroids and comets. So, the solar system is the sun and its family, consisting of planets, satellites, asteroids, and comets. The planets, in order of distance from the sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and until recently, Pluto, which in 2006 was declared not a planet. Comparing their mass, it's clear that Jupiter is the largest of all the planets, and Mercury is the smallest planet in size. Pluto is the furthest from the sun, and Mercury is the nearest to the sun. All the planets are revolving around the sun in different gravitational orbit. In addition to these planets, there are small planets called planetoids or asteroids. They also move around the sun, and many of them are in between Mars and Jupiter. Some believe that they may be pieces of a large planet which broke up long ago. Our planet, Earth, is the only planet which has suitable conditions for living. So far, there is no evidence of life on other planets, and other planets don't have favorable conditions for life to exist. The planet Mercury is very close to the sun, so it has extremely high temperatures when facing the sun and extremely low temperatures when not facing the sun. Venus is covered by thick clouds which prevent sunlight from reaching the surface. Saturn is very cold and is covered by layers of ice several kilometers thick. Mars is the only planet whose atmosphere contains some oxygen and water vapor, other than the Earth. However, its temperature varies from 25 degrees centigrade to minus 40 degrees centigrade, so scientists believe that some primitive form of life may have existed on Mars.
You're going to divide into groups of 4 and research your assigned planet.
After you research your planet, you're going to make a 3D model using class materials.
And then after you make your 3D model class, you will present your planet to the class. Make sure that you answer these following questions when you're presenting.
The first question is, what color is your planet?
The second question will be, how big is your planet?
And then the third question you need to ask is, how far away is your planet from the sun?
and then you're going to name an interesting fact about your planet.
Alright, class, divide into your groups and start researching. Have fun!